when your grinder blade or whatever it is stuck over here, what you need to do is take this apart, okay? Put this right there, insert it properly and firm. Do it by this bolts right here. What I'm telling you guys is the proper way to do it. All right, okay, put that there, vice versa. Oops. Sorry. Make sure you wear safety goggles, man grip. Make sure you guys wear some gloves, because what you guys need to do is, you don't need to hold this button right here. Hold this with your comfort grip, twist right there, and there you go. Oh yeah, finally. Woo! All right, and put everything back. And make sure you put some WD-40 so it won't get stuck again. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching.